Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the foundation. List essential courses and prioritize them. Start today with focused blocks of 2 to 4 hours because shorter scatter leads to false familiarity. Use active recall and spaced repetition so concepts move from short-term to durable memory. Once done, collect one authoritative textbook per subject and subscribe to a reliable question bank. This gives you content and assessment. Make sure to map topics to your curriculum so every study session targets an assessed learning outcome. You now deepen understanding by transforming passive lectures into active summaries. Write concise notes, create diagrams, and link physiology to pathology. Then practice 40 to 80 board-style questions daily to expose gaps and reinforce retrieval, and always read explanations to correct misconceptions. Once done, work clinical cases and simulate patient reasoning. This shifts knowledge into clinical thinking. Make sure to schedule team study sessions twice weekly so you explain concepts aloud, which reveals weak spots faster than solo review. You conclude by consolidating and testing. Take full-length mock exams monthly to simulate pressure and reveal error trends. After each exam, analyze mistakes and prioritize weak topics with focused micro-sessions and targeted question bank sets so revision is efficient. Once done, build a revision calendar that spaces repeats before exams. If you fall behind, reduce scope immediately, draft a 2-week recovery plan with only high-yield items, and ask faculty or peers for focused feedback. This troubleshooting keeps momentum intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.